Hello engineers! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So yung magiging topic natin ngayon is illumination engineering. Point by point method, two-dimensional plane. Okay? So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board examination. So yung problem natin engineers is a piece of paper. A piece of paper lies on a table 2 meters away from a point directly below above of 100 candela and is 4 meters above the table. Calculate the illumination on the center of the paper in lux. Okay? So let's try to solve this sample problem using our Caltech solution. But before that, let's illustrate and analyze first our problem. So sabi sa problem is mayroon daw tayong bulb to which yung kanyang luminous intensity is 100 candela. And it is 4 meter above our table. So ito siya, 4 meter above our table. And then, mayroon daw tayong piece of paper to which yung distance ng paper from the line directly below our bulb is 2 meters away. So ano daw yung magiging illumination ng light on the center of the paper? Okay? So let's solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So sa calculator nyo engineers, enter mode and then 2. Which yung mode 2 natin is complex mode. Mode and then 2. After that, input nyo yung formula natin. So ano yung ating luminous intensity? That is 100 candela. So that will be 100 times variable A all over absolute value of variable A raised to the power of 3. So input lang natin to sa ating calculator engineers. So 100 variable A divided by absolute value of variable A raised to the power of 3. Then after nyo ma-input yan engineers, enter calc button. So enter calc button. So magtatanong siya ng value ng variable A. So yung ilalagay natin dito is yung height plus the imaginary times the distance or the horizontal distance rather. Ulitin lang natin. The vertical height plus the horizontal distance times the imaginary. So, intercalc, input natin. So, ano yung ating vertical distance? That is 4 meters. Plus, the horizontal distance natin na 2 meters times the imaginary. So, we will have 4 plus 2i. So, ito yung value na to, yung ating i-input sa ating variable a. So, input 4 plus 2i. And then, enter equal, may makukuha tayong result na 4.47 plus J 2.23. But sa sagot natin ito engineers or sa result natin ito engineers, ignore lang natin yung imaginary part. So yung kukunin lang natin is yung real parts, to which yung real part natin is 4.47. So therefore, yung magiging illumination on the center of the paper is 4.47 lux, or that is equivalent to 4.5 lux. Okay, ulitin lang natin yung ating solution from the start. So sa calculator nyo engineers, mode and then 2. So ano yung ating luminous intensity? That is 100. times variable A divided by absolute value of variable A raised to the power of 3. And then intercalc vertical distance or vertical height plus horizontal distance, that is 2 times imaginary. And then equal. Ignore lang natin yung imaginary part, yung kukunin natin is yung real parts only. So therefore, yung sagot natin is 4.47 lakhs or 4.5 lakhs. So dito na magtatapos yung ating discussion. I hope may natutunan kayong bago and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.